Hello YouTube, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error without any data loss. What you need is a computer which is connected to the internet. So connect your phone to the computer and make sure you have installed iTunes in your computer. So iTunes will run automatically, sometimes it doesn't open automatically. So just open it with yourself and you will see these two buttons now on iTunes right here, update and restore. If you press the restore button, you will lose all the data. It will erase everything on your phone. And if you press update button, it means you can update your phone to the latest version without losing data. So update button is very safe. Press this button. So right here, you will see something is downloading. This is a firmware file. It will take few minutes to download. Depends on your internet speed. It's about 2 GB, so just wait. So after downloading the file, it will automatically start updating your phone. You will see some loading bars on the top of the iTunes screen. So this is how you can fix this problem. It's too easy. So now all you need is to set up your phone. It will ask you for your language and country and blah blah. So your all the data is safe now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Peace out.